A short boat ride from Providenciales brings you to one of the most secluded and exclusive islands in the entire Caribbean. This is Parrot Cay, a private island retreat surrounded by turquoise water, soft powdery sands, and pure natural tranquility. Parrot Cay immediately feels different. Quiet, spacious, untouched, a place where nature leads and luxury follows softly behind. Over the years, Parrot Cay has become a sanctuary for celebrities, world leaders, authors, and royalty. Nicole Kidman relaxes here. Bruce Willis owns a villa here. Keith Richards calls Parrot Cay one of his favorite escapes. This is privacy at its highest level. The island has miles of untouched beachfront, soft sand that feels like flour under your feet, calm waters protected by reefs that glow bright turquoise in the sunlight. It is one of the most peaceful shorelines in the Caribbean. The accommodations are airy, minimal, and soothing. Natural textures, teak wood, and soft fabrics create an atmosphere of complete calm. Every room is designed to reconnect you to the elements. For more privacy, guests choose the beach houses, each with private pools, lush gardens, and direct access to the sand. These homes feel like your own luxury sanctuary. This is where the island becomes unbelievable. The private estates, including the famous Rock House and Bruce Willis Estate, stretch across vast beachfront land. These multi-million-dollar villas offer complete seclusion and stunning sunrise views. Parrot Cay is known for its warm, discreet, and intuitive service. Butler teams anticipate what you need before you even ask. Privacy and comfort are prioritized at every step. Dining at Parrot Cay blends Caribbean flavors with global inspiration. Fresh seafood, tropical ingredients, and wellness-focused dishes are served in open-air spaces that look out onto the ocean. Como's wellness philosophy is world-famous. The Shambhala Spa is surrounded by lush vegetation and peaceful waterways. It offers yoga, meditation, holistic treatments, and ancient healing practices. The resort's iconic infinity pool blends seamlessly into the horizon. Guests spend entire afternoons lounging here, watching the sun dance on the water. Guests can explore the island by paddleboard, kayak, sailboat, or bicycle. A walk through the island reveals rare birds, tropical flowers, and soft ocean breezes. Snorkeling and diving are exceptional here, with coral reefs, tropical fish, turtles, and pristine underwater visibility. Couples love the island for its romantic seclusion, private dinners, and gentle sunsets. Families love the island for its safety, quiet beaches, and spacious villas. Writers, artists, and creatives find Parrot Cay one of the most inspiring places in the world. This island invites you to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with the natural world. It is luxury without noise, beauty without crowds, privacy without compromise. A sanctuary for those who need space, peace, and time. A place where luxury takes its time and the world feels far away. This is Parrot Cay, one of the most exclusive private islands in the Caribbean. Like, share, and subscribe for more ultra-luxury island escapes.